have seen the failure of states. We have seen that presidents like Obama, who come into power with such hope, leave in despair. But now there is an opportunity for the most progressive, the most democratic, the most engaged political communities the world has ever seen, our cities and towns, to meet, to work together, and to act to confront illegitimate power. I'm Benjamin Barber. I'm a political philosopher. I'm a practical politician. I've worked with Bill Clinton. I've worked with the SPD. I've worked around the world with many, many forms of government. And today I have a new important project to create a new Parliament of Mayors, a global Parliament of Mayors. And the reason is that nation states born 400 years ago are today increasingly dysfunctional, paralyzed, unable to reach agreements, not in the United Nations, not bilaterally. In effect, we are watching the old nation states, sovereign and independent, fail to deal with the new interdependent problems of a global world, problems of climate change, problems of technology, problems of immigration, problems of capital and markets and disease, pandemic diseases. So we need a new form of global governance, a democratic form of global governance, and nation states no longer are able to do it. My suggestion is change the subject. Stop talking about states and start talking about cities. Stop thinking about what's wrong with presidents and prime ministers and start thinking about what's right with mayors and city councilors and the active, engaged citizens of towns around the world. And the process is underway. Just a few months ago in Amsterdam, 30 cities sat together and planned for a major meeting in London and Bristol, England. There we will have over 120 cities gathered together to create a new global parliament in which cities act together in the areas that states don't. We will have a climate manifesto in October 2015 that can be taken to Paris at the end of the year when the UN Climate Summit meets. We will have an agreement among cities that other cities who aren't there can opt into for cities to take actions, whether or not states act, to take actions on climate. We are at the beginning then of a governance revolution. That will be the global Parliament of Mayors, and I am sure it will create not just a governance revolution, but also a democratic revolution that will once again inspire young people and minorities and those who don't believe in governance anymore, that government can work when it is truly a government of citizens, the government of towns, the government of cities.